He's not the same snake.
I mean the same kind of snake.
He's the same kind, but he's not the same snake.
Can I put it around my neck?
Sure, go ahead and we'll get a couple pictures. Where's the video, the picture?
In the truck, in the car. Don't see to the car.
And purple ones on? And those purple ones look like they're dry, like really dry.
Yeah, now you gotta do it that way. There you go. You're just gonna stand there. It's a motion picture.
Hmm?
God bless you.
Oh, it's a motion, okay.
Be nice to him.
Nice, yeah.
He's just a poor little animal.
Oh, yeah. Imagine. Oh, I like this thing. What do you hear that? Guy was on the motorcycle right here. He stopped.
He was on what?
Guy right here was on the motorcycle
That's
stopped to
awesome.
watch me do the snake.
Oh.
What do you hear that?
Where was he? Where was he at?
Yeah, right.
He's right there back with me at the trailer.
They love the trailer.
Yeah.
Good.
Uh-oh, don't do that.
It's okay.
Now you're gonna take a picture and put it around. You're still.
Go ahead, get the snake, put it on your neck.
Again. Dude. Don't make anything wrong, okay?